Polyvagal Exercises for Safety and Connection came about because after writing Polyvagal Theory and Therapy and people starting to use the mapping and the exercises there, they kept saying, so what's next? And how do you help clients between sessions continue the work? And so I've always been a therapist who likes to give homework, or as we call it, home play, because homework can bring a, not me, I'm not going to do that response. So home play, which my colleague Amber Gray coined that term, so I want to give her credit for that, and she has a chapter in Clinical Applications book, which is lovely. So wanting to give my clients home play, and then colleagues would say, so what do you do? What do you give them for home play? And then it became, ooh, I can put this on paper instead of answering the same question over and over and over. We can put it in book form. So Polyvagal Exercises really is what I want to have my clients do between sessions to keep the work alive and going.